Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to El Sutra's Kitchen. Ladies, today our video is going to be about hair conditioner. This hair conditioner is going to give you a full hair, itchy free, flex free, dry free from this cold. I know it's really harsh on our skin and our hair especially. So I'm going to be showing you the items I use for this cream, for this conditioner. And this is my baby's hair, my second daughter's hair. This is how dry her hair becomes in July. And I'm going to show you a little bit of when I started doing our own conditioner at home. This is September, 2 months later. She's having hair at the back of her head, and it started growing, and we've been maintaining this because we also make our own hair butter and we also make our own hair oil. So I will be sharing all that with you, and I'm going to show you after 2 months of this. This is November 2020. I wasn't able to capture all her on the video, but you can see her hair is full and shiny and black. And I'm going to be showing you my second daughter on how we achieved this, her hair, after being using this product for a while. So let's get into this conditioner, and our first product is going to be a coconut milk. You see, I put it in the fridge for about 10 hours. You can put it less hours, but it's been there upside down. And our second major ingredient for this conditioner is going to be aloe vera. And you can actually pick up aloe vera in your favorite grocery store. Usually you get this in the Asian grocery stores, like if you have a Chinese grocery stores around you, or Indian grocery stores. They all have them, are mostly in the organic section. So this is my coconut milk. I have put it in the fridge for, you can put it overnight. You just put it upside down if you want to achieve this. So I'm going to show you the reason why I put it upside down, because I'm going to be opening the other one normally as it is standing up, so that you differentiate. So as you see, the one that I put upside down, look at when I opened it, the milk is in the bottom, and I have the water of the milk to come up. So I was just able to strain it immediately and start taking my milk away. And the one that I opened up, it has the milk on top and the water on the bottom. So this process is easier when you put the milk upside down. That way you just open it that way, and you have your milk on top. You have your milk on the bottom and then the water on top. You can actually just use this water to do a preconditioning if you want to leave your conditioner overnight, because usually when you take it out of the fridge the same day and you want to use it, it's a bit cold. Especially I was gonna use it for my daughters too. So instead of using the fresh aloe vera, I got this organic aloe vera from Bulk Burn. So it's a healthy spice and other things grocery store. So I'm just going to be using the juice because this is exactly 100% organic aloe vera juice. I trust this brand, I trust this company, so I don't need to do the work from the scratch. And the oils we're going to be using in this conditioner is going to be an extra virgin olive oil, and we're also going to be using black Jamaican castor oil. So if you do some research about both virgin olive oil and the castor oil, you know they are healthy and they're good. They have a great nutrients for the hair. So I am using both of them for this conditioner. My black castor oil, I wouldn't be using much of it because this is just a conditioner that I'm going to be washing away. So I rather reserve my castor oil and use it on my hair butter. So I have all my oils in the mixture, and now I'm trying to protect my hand mixer just not to get any spill of the coconut milk plus the oils on it, because cleaning afterwards is just going to be hectic. And I'm going to be mixing this mixture all together to get a consistent conditioner. So I'm just going to be using my hand mixer to whip all the butter together and get a consistent and smooth hair mask. And instead of buying the little pouches that cost about, I think, $3, uh, that is something you just use once and it's for one person use. I have $2 from Plus My Hair. So using these 2 cans of the coconut milk, we will be able to use this product twice, if not 3 times. And we usually do this like after every 2 weeks, because we don't wash our hair too often, especially in the cold season. So we try to wash the hair 2 weeks apart, that is twice in a month. So, and each time we're going to be washing our hair, we use this conditioner to steam the hair, put it on the hair and put a cap on just to steam and get all the nutrients into our hair. As you can see, this conditioner is looking beautiful already, and everything is incorporated. So as of here, I will just trying to get some containers and put it on so that we get going with it. So as you can see, this is the consistency I'm looking for, and it's thick enough. And So guys, this is my second child's hair. So we did a gel style and the hair is so dry because you know how gel tends to make the hair kind of dry, and I noticed sometimes the hair was a bit itchy for her because it has been packed for I think 3 days when we did the gel style. So now I'm just going to apply the conditioner on her hair. I'm going to show you how it looks the next morning. You see we still have similar consistency, even though it is a little bit runnier than yesterday night that we made it, because now it has been sitting in the container for some hours. And I am going to apply it all over her hair, and I'm going to put a heat cap on, and we're going to be leaving it for about 1 hour. And when we shower, we're going to wash it up and we're going to dry the hair and add some hair butter. The hair butter I'm going to be using on her hair is actually a DIY as well. I will be sharing it in my next video with you guys. It's so easy and so simple, and I used different kind of oils that are actually really good for the hair as well. This hair butter plus our hair oil helps our hair so much during both winter and summertime, and it makes our hair like grow faster, and we have all full hair right now because I have been having a broken hair for some times. But I am glad coming across these recipes to just get hair, a better hair. So after washing the hair, this is what her hair looks like without any oil, no butter on it, and it feels so soft. It's so soft, as you can see. I don't even know if the camera is doing justice to this hair because it's so soft on my fingers, and you can see it's shinier. There is no oil or anything on the hair. And this is finally, I put on the butter and put on some oil on her hair, and we did use some edge control in the front of her hair just to make it more flat and more stylish. So guys, this is the hair coconut conditioner I share with you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe before you go. See you on the next video.